Brian DiMambro. We are looking now at a very appealing street panorama of the mid-19th century. This architectural panorama of London goes from Regent Street to Westminster Abbey. The drawing is by Sandman, the architect, and the wood engraving is by George Layton. It's published in 1849. As you can see, it's a folded accordion style format, and what I'll do now is we'll start to walk along the streets of London in 1849, and one of the things that's so interesting is that virtually every business and building is identified. For instance, here is the workshop of a lithographic embosser and a copperplate printer right here. Note as well all of the individuals and horse-drawn carriages on the street, as well as the ironwork on the buildings. As we can see, the view is composed of joined sheets, no doubt each sheet representing a single block of wood. This is the residence or the premises of the bookseller and publisher Bosworth. And we're looking here, oh, look at this, a advertising wagon there, whipmakers to the Queen, I see. Here's another advertising wagon. Here we have a public transport wagon, and this appears to be some sort of a fixed architectural structure near the street. Yes. It's relatively well preserved. The first couple panels have a little bit of separation and soiling. Given the fragile nature of any type of paper item souvenir from this era, I think it's safe to say that any example that survives is collectible. I personally find this one entirely pleasing. And now we reach the end. It is in total approximately 21 feet long. Here we are, Westminster Abbey. This is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com. We are producing short videos now daily, and if you subscribe, you will receive updates as we do that. Talk to you soon.